going to discuss our iOS project School Management. Before me, my two friends, Mr. Arnav and Mr. Gurpinder, already explained about our application, how it work, why we develop it, what idea we use in it, etc. So now I am going to give you demo of our application. Before it, I show some screenshot of our application. Let me open. Like whenever you open our application, it directly go directly open a login screen. In this screen, a student just open his student ID and click on login button. When student click on login button, there are a dashboard screen which shows some options like event, subject, marks, and personal information. Each option has a different screen. If student click on events, event screen open and show the list of events that are organized by the school on specific date. And if the student click on subject, it show the list of subject. And if student click on marks, then a list of subjects open with marks like in this screen. And last option is personal information. Let's suppose a student click on personal information. A personal information screen will be open, which show the image of student, ID of student, name of student, class, email address, and house address. So these are some screenshots that I taken from my application. Now let me open application. Let's suppose I entered my student ID and click on login button, and I goes to dashboard screen. Here are some options like events, subject, marks, personal information. Let me click on events. As I click on events, event screen will open and it show the parents meeting, sports activities, annual function, farewell, uh, and with specific date. Let me back and open subjects. In the subject option, a subject screen will be open that showed a list of subjects in my course. For now, there are some subjects like Hindi, English, Math, Science. And if I click on marks, subject list show with the marks like in Hindi subject, 92 out of 100, and same as for other subjects. And final option is personal information. Whenever a student click on personal information, it show the image of student, student ID, student name, class, email address, and house address as shown in. Actually, in this application, uh, user or student cannot update anything because he has no any access to update it or delete it or insert a news or new information, because these are information added by the school, uh, you can say through database or manually entered. So this is the application which we develop in iOS for in iOS. And this project will show that this project actually very helpful for the student, because nowadays every school and college uh, give a lecture online. So sometime a student, it is hard to in face-to-face meeting or get their marks in person. So this application show the marks of students and events of student. Even student parents can log in this application using a student ID. So they can they can get a knowledge about his children, like marks in each subjects and upcoming events that organized by the school. So it's our project named as student management. Thank you.